Hi, welcome to Arithmetic Reasoning Lesson 4. So today our first problem will be: a store originally sold a jacket for $120. The store increased the price by 15%. What is the new price of the jacket? So here first we need to calculate the discount price. So here 120
Hi, welcome to
times
Arithmetic
15%
Reasoning
will be the
Lesson
discount price.
4.
So
So
today our
120
first problem will be:
15
a
over
store
100
originally sold a jacket
equals to
for $120.
will
The
goes
store
over
increased
20, it's 6
the price
times,
by
and 20 will
15%.
goes over 100, it's
What
5
is the new
times.
price
5
of the
will goes over
jacket?
15,
So
it's
here
3 times.
first we need to calculate
6 times 3
the discount
equals
price.
to 18.
So here 120
So
times
$18 will be
15%
discount
will
price.
be the
So
discount
here
price. So 120
100
times
so
15
100
over
over
100 equals to, so what is the new
here
price?
20 will
the
goes
store
over 20,
increased
6 times, and
price
20
by
will goes over
15%.
100,
So
it's 5
we need
times.
to
5
add
will goes over 15,
the
it's 3
$18.
times.
So here
120
times
plus
3
equals to
18. $138 will be discount price. So here there is
100.
no 138.
So
120 we can choose 140.
So what
or
is the new
135.
price?
So here
The
we
store
will choose
increased
$140
price by 15%.
So now
So
come to another problem.
we
Is
need to
here
add
a laptop
the
cost
$18.
800 before tax.
120 plus 18
It is on
equals to
sale for 10% discount. What is the
$138.
total cost
So
of
there is
laptop
no
after paying the
138.
discount?
So here
we can choose
after applying the
140
discount. So
or
here
135. So here we will choose
so
$140.
800.
Okay.
So now
800
come to another problem.
times
Here a laptop
10
cost over
800 before
100
tax
equals to
it is on sale for 10%
So
discount.
18
What is the 800
total
times
cost
of laptop
decimal
after paying
1
the discount
equals
to 80?
after
So
applying the
$80
discount.
will
So
be
here
the discount price. Here 800
800
minus 800 times 10
equals to
720. 720
equals to
will be the new price after applying the discount. So
18
here option B will be the answer.
800
Now come to another
times
problem. Is here
0
is to
decimal
buy a pair
1
of shoes
equals
for
to
$50 and sell
So
them
$80
for
will be the discount
$75
price.
What is the percentage profit?
800
This
minus
to make
80
on is sell. So pair of shoes
equals
price
to
will be $720. So
and
720
here sell them
for will be the new
$75
price after applying the discount. So here
$75.
option B will be the answer.
So
now
the
the
profit
problem
will be
is here
25.
a store buy
So
a
here
pair of shoes
within
for
$15
and sell them
the
for
store
$75.
profit,
What
gaining
is the
profit
percentage
$25.
profit? The
So
store make
here we need to
on
find
is
out
sell.
the percentage.
Pair of shoes price will
For
be $50
100
and here
for
sell them for
$100.
$75.
So
$100 will be
$75.
how much profit they
So the
are
profit
making?
will be 25.
25. So here
Times
within 15%, $15
over
the store
$50
is profit, gaining profit $25.
So here 50
will goes over.
So
100
here
is
we need
2
to
times
find
and
out the
2 times
percentage.
25 equals to
For
100.
50.
So for $100
For $100
they are
okay.
gaining
So
profit.
$100 will be
$50. It's 50%
how much
profit the
they
store is
are
making. Option C
Like
will be answer.
25
Now come to another problem. Is here
times
a car
100
travel at 45
over
miles per hour. How far
$50.
can it travel in? So here
4
50 will
hours.
goes over 100 is
So
2
per
times and
hour
2 times 25
is
equals
traveling
to
45
50
miles.
miles
So
for
45
miles times they are
with
gaining
4
profit
hours.
$50.
So
Here it's 50% profit. The
4
store is
times
making
5 equals to
Option C
20.
will be answer. Now come to
Here
another
0
problem.
comes.
Here 2 will be the
Car
car travel
4
at
times
45
40
miles per hour.
16
How far
plus
can it
2
travel
equals
in
to 18.
4 hours? So 18 180
per hour
will be the
is
answer.
traveling 45
100 miles
80
to
miles.
45
So now
miles
come to another
times
problem
with 4 hours. So here if a printer can
4
print
times 5 equals
120
to
pages
20
in 6
Here
minutes,
0 comes.
how
will be
many
the
pages
carry
can
4
it
times 4
print
equals to
in 10 minutes?
16 plus
So
2 equals
within
to
10 minutes
18.
the printer
So
will
18,
print 180 will be
120
the answer. So 180
6
miles.
minutes. 1
Now
minute.
come
So
to another
here-
problem. Here if a printer can print 120
Here
pages
within
in
6 minutes. So
minutes,
within 6 minutes,
how many pages can
printer
it print? Will print in 10 minutes 120 pages.
So
Within 10
1
minutes
pages,
the
so
printer
120
will print
over
6
120
times 10. So within 10 minutes 6
printer
minutes
will print
1 minute.
so here 6 will go over 12, it's 2 times, and 0 will come, so 20
within
times
6 minutes, so
10 equals
within
to
6
200.
minutes.
So 200 pages the printer will print
120 pages
within 10 minutes.
1 pages, so
120
A will be the
over
answer.
6
Now
times
come to
10.
another problem is here.
So within 10 minutes
The savings
the printer
account
will print
pays 6%
6
annual
will
interest.
go
How much
over
interest
12, it's
will
2
you
times,
earn
and 0 will
on a
come.
deposit of
20
20,000
times
after
10
3
equals
years?
to 200.
2000
So
after
200
3 years.
pages the printer
The
will
annual
print
interest
within
means
10
yearly
minutes.
interest will be 6%. So
So
for
$100
A will be the
deposit,
answer.
now
The
come to
annual
another problem
interest
is
will
here.
be $6. The savings
So for
account
2000
pays $6
annual interest,
will
how much
multiply
interest
the 6
will
will
you
multiply
earn
with
to
on a
20
deposit of
equals to
2,000 after 3 years.
$112
2000
annually.
after 3 years.
So
So
for 3 years,
so
the
3
annual
times
interest
means
120
yearly interest will be
dollar
6%. So
equals
for
to
$100 deposit,
$360.
the annual interest will be
Profit
$6.
will be
So for
generate
2000
for
$2,000 deposit
will
after
multiply
3 years.
6 will
So
multiply
the answer
with
will be option
20
B,
equals to
$360. Now come to
$112.
now the problem is
annually.
here.
So for 3 years, so 3
The
times
ratio of the number of
120
apple and
dollar
oranges
equals to 3
in a bucket. So number of apples will be X and number
profit
of oranges
will
be
be
Y if there are
generate
35
for
apples
$2,000
in the basket.
3 years.
How many oranges
the
are
answer
there?
will be
So
option
here
B,
X over
$360.
Y equals to
Now
5.
come to
And the problem is
5
here
over 7. So 5 over 7. Here just
the
flip
ratio of the number of
the
apples
numbers
and
on both
oranges
side Y
in a
over
bucket. So
X
number of
equals to
apples
7
will be
over 5.
X and number
Here
of oranges
the
will
apple
be
number
Y
is
if
35.
there are
So
35
X equals to
apples
35.
in the basket.
So here
how many oranges are there? So here
Y equal to
X over Y equals
7
to 5
over 5 times
5 over
35.
7. So 5
So
over
here
5 will
7.
goes
Here
over
just flip
35 is 7 times.
flip
So
the
7
numbers
times
for
7
both
equals
side
to 49
Y over
so
X
49
equals to 7 over 5
will be the
Here,
number of
the
oranges.
apple number is
Here.
35.
So option
So
D will be
X
answer.
equals to 35.
So come
So
to
here,
our next problem is here a
Y
person
equal
walk 3 miles per hour
7
for 2 hours.
over 5 times
So
35.
run
So here
6
5 will
miles
goes
per
over
hour
35 is
for
7 times.
1
So
hour.
7 times 7
So
equals
3
to
miles
49.
per
49
hour for 2 hours
will be the
he
number
walks.
of oranges. So 3
here.
times
So
2
option
equals
D will
to
be answer.
6 miles.
So come to our next
then
problem
run
is
6
here
miles per
a person
hour
walk
for 1
3
hour.
miles per hour for 2
So
hours.
here 6 miles.
So then
what
run
is
6
the
miles
average
per
speed
hour
of
for
the entire
1
trip?
hour.
So here
3 miles per
2 hours
hour
and
for 2 hours
1 hour.
he walks.
So
for
3
3
times
hours
2 equals to
the
6
person
miles. Cross 12
and
miles.
then run 6
Person
miles
cross
per
12
hour
miles
for 1 hour.
So
here
here
the
6
average
miles.
speed.
So
average
what
speed will be
is the average
so
speed
average
of
speed
the entire trip
equals to 12
so here
over 3
hours
equals to
2 hours and
4 miles 1
so,
hours.
So
What
for 3
is
hours
their average
person
speed for their
cross
entire trip.
12
So
miles.
here 4
person
miles per
cross
hour.
12 miles.
So option A will be the answer. Now come
So
to
here
our
the
next problem
average
is
speed.
jacket
So
originally
average
costs
speed will be
$200 but it's
so
on
average
sale
speed
for
equals
30%
to
off.
12
So
over
here
3
30%
equals
off
to
for $100
4 miles.
30%
So
means $30.
what
So here
is
for
the
200
their
it will
average
become
speed for
$60
their entire trip? So here
becomes $60
4 miles per
is
hour.
the sale price.
So option
of
A
the
will be
jacket.
the
So
answer.
sale price will
Now
be
come to
200
our next
minus
problem.
60
Is jacket
equals
originally
to
cost
$140
but
it's
so here
on
option
sale
C will be the
for
answer.
30%
Now come to
off.
the
So
problem
here
is
30%
here
off.
if
So
5
for
pence
$100
cost
30%
$8
means how much
$30
would
so
12
here
pence
for
cost
200 it will become
so
$60.
5 pence cost
becomes
$60.
$60. What is the sale
and
price
12
of the
pence
jacket?
cost
So
will
sale
be
price will be
8 times
200
12
minus
over
60
5 so
equals to
8 times 12
$140.
okay, so 5
So here option C will be the answer. Now
8
come to
times
the
2
problem
equals
is
to
here
16
if
here 6 will
5
come
pence
1 will be
cost the
$8
carry
how much
and
would
8 times 1
12 pence
plus
cost?
1 equals to 9
so
96 over
5
5
pence
so
cost
here 5 will
$8
go over 9 eighths and 12
1 times
pence
pence
cost
cost
will be
over
8
8
times
times
12
here
over
4
5 so 8 times
and
12
6
so
okay,
5
so
will goes over
5
60 46 it will give me
8 times 2 equals to
9
16
times. So
here
5
6 will come,
times 9 equals to 45. So
carry
45
8 times
here
1 will
plus
be
1 equals
the
to
rest
9.
and
We'll take 0
96
here, take
over
decimal.
5.
So here
5 will goes over 9
it's 2 times.
1 times,
So here
and
5 will goes over
19.2.
here,
So
1 will
19.2
here
equals
4
to
here. There's no
and
actual
6,
value
so
actually.
5 will goes
So
over
we can
60,
choose
46, it will
$18 here.
give me
Nearest
9
value
times,
or
so
$20 the nearest
times
value.
9 equals
We
to
can
45. So
45
assume
here
the
price
be
will be
the
$20
rest and
we'll take 0.
so
here,
thanks for
take
watching this
decimal.
video.
5
and
will
hope
goes over 10.
these
It's 2
problems
times.
will be helpful
So here
to solve
19.2
your competitive exam problem also,
to here.
and
So
this will be the
value actually.
this will give
So
you the
we
best
can
result.
choose
So
$18
goodbye for now.
here, nearest value, or $20 the nearest value. So we can assume the price will be $20.
So thanks for watching this video and hope these problems will be helpful to solve your competitive exam problem also, and this will give you the best result. So goodbye for now.